Do you feel like you're missing out on the current video trend? Are your videos not grabbing the attention as they used to? Looking to make your videos more unique, engaging, and make them stand out from the crowd? With tools like Video Maker FX, Explaindio, Video Scribe, Easy Sketch Pro, and others, it became even simpler to create your own videos. Unfortunately, the issue is still that. Thousands of people use the same Me Too video graphics and templates that can result in lower conversions and lower profits. Is there a way to get the attention from the distracted prospects? Option 1. Hire a pricey video team that can charge you even up to $300 per minute. Option 2. Hire a graphic designer to create for you custom video graphics. Prepare to pocket even $5 to $20 just for a single graphic element. Option 3. Try Fiverr to experience low quality and poor delivery. You get what you paid for. What if there is a better way? I created a premium bundle of mind-blowing video assets collection that you can use to spice up your videos, improve your conversions, and boost up your sales. These done-for-you video assets will give you an extra edge over your competitors for a fraction of the actual cost. Presenting? Here's what you'll get inside. And it's so simple to use. Just load any of these ready-to-go video assets in your favorite video creating software, like Explaindio, Easy Sketch Pro, PowerPoint, etc. And within minutes, you'll be able to create an attention-grabbing video that you can easily use on your sales page, squeeze page, or YouTube channel. Now you can make videos that are actually unique, demand authority and respect from your visitors, and make your competitors jealous. Hurry up. Click on the button below to invest in your copy now.